What is going on, y'all? Thank you so much for joining us at our wedding. This has been such a privilege.
Best night ever.
Yeah, this has been the best night of our lives, and it's been such a privilege. So, we promised an awesome video, a highlight reel of Olivia and Kaid before we met, and then a little bit of a highlight after we met. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And then below, we have some opportunities for you guys to, submit some of your photos, submit some of your videos, post them on Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. But really would love the content. So if you have any questions, there's going to be an email and a phone number to reach out to me directly. I would just really want to, share these moments that we shared together. But also there's just a form below that you could submit as well. So just wanted to say thank you so much from the Collins.
And the Kaufmans.
And the Kaufmans, yeah.
And the new Collins.
But the new Collins, and it's gonna take us some time. And just, again, to the money dance, this is awesome. Thank you so much. Here, I'm gonna throw it because it's fun. Why not? Awesome, super fun. But thank you guys, and this has been an absolute privilege. So
we love you all so much.
Love you so much.
Thank you for making our day so special.
Thank you. Bye.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head.
A million dreams are keeping me
A million dreams, a million dreams. I think of what the